Hello, hello! Today we will be making lips and eyes. This looks a little interesting as we are going to make real life features, which is the lips and the eyes of a person. Let's start by making the first one, wherein we will be making dots at first. After that, we will try making these bumps and try connecting it. This looks interesting. We will first make the outline of it and then start making the entire lip. Well, this person's lips are facing on the right hand side. So, we will make the top part of the lip, which is the line, and after that, make the lip like this. After that, we will make a smiling mouth, wherein we will be also able to see the teeth. Make the drawing very rough at first, so just in case if you make a mistake, you can erase it later. This looks very interesting, isn't it? After that, let's make this one. If you see the lips in different angles, you will realize that it is drawn differently every single time. And finally, we are going to make the lips which are facing on the left hand side now. So let's make this slowly and nicely. That's wonderful. This looks great. The next thing we do is start by making the eyes. Try making it as symmetrical as possible. Once we are done with that, we will make the nose portion and then start making this almond shape. An almond shape is pointed from both the sides. After that, let's make the eyeball and then move forward as we will be coloring it nicely. Now that the person is facing on the left hand side, we will only see one eye. Hence, let's make the nose portion and start making only one eye. Notice that the eyeball is in the front portion of the eye and we see only one eye like this. The next thing we do is make only one eye which is facing like this. If you notice, this eyeball is on the extreme right hand side of our almond shape. So let's make it that way. And now let's make the last one wherein both the eyes are facing upwards. Once we are done with that, we will start coloring this. Let's use a red color pencil for this one as it is very thin and it can give us a beautiful shade on the lips. Start giving it a beautiful shade now. Let's make it a little darker from the corners. And then a little lighter in the center. Similarly, let's color the next one. we have a few spaces which are white, as that is where the light is falling and it's shining maybe. Or this lipstick has a gloss, hence that portion is shining and is white in color. So let's keep it a little light that side. Highlight all the portions which are darker at first and then color lightly right on top of it. Something like this. Complete coloring this in a similar way. That's lovely. Now the next one is the same way. Let's do the outline of it first with dark maroon and then color inside with red color. We will be very careful while coloring the lighter parts. Complete coloring this in a similar way. Make sure you color inside the mouth as well, as the mouth is a little open. So maybe we see the person's tongue inside, and do not color the teeth as they are going to be white in color. Once we are done with that, we will go ahead with the next lip, wherein we will do the outline with the same color and color inside with red. Again, we will keep a few white spaces and then color inside like this. Let's do the same thing on the bottom part as well. Let's move on to the next lip now. We will finish this in a similar way as well. Let's use orange color for the skin portion and then move forward to the eyes. We will take brown color for the eyebrows. Give it a beautiful finishing like this. That's lovely. And then let's make an outline of the eye with the help of this brown color. This looks lovely. Let's make the eyelashes now. Let's use skin color to color overall near the eyes. We will take the brown color once again and do the outline of the entire eye and the eyebrows as well. After that, we will use this to make the eyelashes and then the eyeball. The next thing we do is take black color and do the eyebrow. Continue making the eyelashes from inside to outside and then make the eyeball inside. After that, let's take skin color and do these parts slowly. Yes, let's give it an outline at first. Color it inside. Make the eyelashes. Color the eyeball inside. Let's use black color and do the eyeball color inside. Once we are done with that, let's take skin color and do it all around. Our eyes are ready. The features look so different and beautiful when you see it from different angles, right?